Imagine a time before time existed. Then suddenly, an explosion of unimaginable power. This was the Big Bang, the birth of our universe. From this event, everything we know, stars, galaxies, planets, emerged. At first, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles, but as it expanded and cooled, these particles began to clump together. In one corner of the vast universe, a giant cloud of gas and dust swirled. This cloud, called a nebula, was the birthplace of our solar system. Gravity pulled the particles in the nebula towards each other. As more and more matter clumped together, the center of the cloud became incredibly hot and dense. Finally, the pressure and heat became so intense that nuclear fusion began. Our sun was born! While the sun blazed at the center of the solar system, the leftover gas and dust continued to swirl around it. These particles collided with each other, sticking together like cosmic dust bunnies. Over millions of years, these clumps grew larger and larger, forming planets. Closer to the sun, rocky planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars formed. Further away, gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn took shape. Section 4. A Molten Inferno, the Early Earth. The early Earth was nothing like the planet we know today. It was a hostile and uninhabitable place, a far cry from the blue and green planet we now call home. It was a scorching hot ball of molten rock, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. These celestial bodies crashed into the surface, creating massive craters and adding to the chaos. These impacts generated even more heat, keeping the planet in a molten state. The energy from these collisions was immense, causing the surface to remain in a liquid form for millions of years. Over time, the bombardment slowed down, and the Earth began to cool. As the planet gradually lost heat, the molten surface started to solidify, giving rise to the first solid crust. The heavier elements, like iron and nickel, sank to the center, forming the Earth's core. This process, known as differentiation, was crucial in shaping the internal structure of our planet. Lighter elements like silicon and oxygen rose to the surface, forming the Earth's crust. This rocky crust would eventually become the foundation for continents and oceans, setting the stage for the development of life. Section 5. Oceans and Air, the Breath of Life. This chapter delves into the fascinating process that gave our planet its life-sustaining features. As the Earth cooled further, something incredible happened. The planet, once a molten ball of fire, began to transform. Water vapor trapped within the planet was released through volcanic eruptions. These eruptions were not just destructive forces, but also life-giving events. This vapor condensed in the cooler atmosphere, forming clouds and eventually raining down on the Earth's surface. The first drops of water marked the beginning of a new era. Over millions of years, these rains filled the depressions in the Earth's crust, creating the first oceans. These vast bodies of water became the cradle of life. At the same time, gases released from volcanoes formed the Earth's early atmosphere. This atmosphere, rich in carbon dioxide and other gases, was crucial for the development of life. The combination of oceans and atmosphere set the stage for the complex web of life that would eventually flourish on Earth. Section 6. A Cosmic Cradle, Earth's Unique Story. The formation of Earth is an epic journey through time and space, a tale that spans billions of years and countless cosmic events. From the fiery chaos of the Big Bang, where matter and energy first began to coalesce, to the gradual cooling and formation of oceans and atmosphere, our planet's story is one of constant change and evolution. The early Earth was a volatile place, with violent volcanic eruptions and a surface covered in molten lava. Over time, this fiery landscape began to cool, forming a solid crust and eventually giving rise to the first bodies of water. But perhaps the most amazing part of the story is that Earth, through a remarkable combination of cosmic events, became the perfect cradle for life. The development of diverse landscapes, from lush forests to vibrant underwater ecosystems, showcases the planet's incredible ability to support a wide variety of life forms. Its distance from the sun, its molten core, and its life-giving oceans all combine to create the unique conditions necessary for life to emerge. The Earth's position in the solar system ensures it receives just the right amount of sunlight, while its molten core generates a magnetic field that protects the planet from harmful solar radiation. The vast oceans, teeming with life, play a crucial role in regulating the climate and providing a habitat for countless species. And as we continue to explore the universe, we are reminded of just how precious and fragile our home planet truly is. The view of Earth from space, a small blue dot in the vastness of the cosmos, serves as a powerful reminder of the need to cherish and protect our unique world. Every discovery we make in the universe only underscores the rarity and beauty of our home